Hello guys, welcome to the third tutorial of this chat app series. And what we are going to do is now that I have successfully logged in with my user, how do we log it out and log in again? So what I'll do is I'll go to the main activity first and right away on create options menu, and here before return statement get menu inflator, inflate our menu, main menu, and here on options item selected, and here what we will do is if item get item id log out, then Firebase auth mauth get the instance in on create. Okay, and mauth sign out finish. So what this will do is finish our activity and start our start activity, main activity, this start activity dot class. So let's run the app and see if we are able to see our menu item here and if we are able to log out. Yeah, first of all, the reason we can't see it because this is the toolbar and we have to get our toolbar first. So I will get our toolbar working also. Toolbar, find view by ID. If you look at the layouts, then in layouts I have taken toolbar. Set support action bar is our toolbar. Get support action bar. Okay, I think we don't need this. I'll just go with this. And there is an image view and username that we will work maybe on in this tutorial. How do we know which user has logged in and how do we display the image of the user? So now we are okay. Why is it us? Why do we see this? um yeah, we have to go to the themes, I think, styles or strings, values. Yeah, it is showing us app name. Anyways, let's not worry about this one. I'll take it out somehow. And yeah, here we can see our menu item is here. That was the point. So I'll just click log out and it logs us out. So now how do we sign in? Let's work on the sign in activity and also this the extra text that we had gotten on the that we have to get support action bar set title to. Okay, now that contact will not appear. So our sign out has been successful, and I'll just apply a toast message also. So you know we we can get an indication. It's more better, yeah. And signed out is successful. Going to the login activity, material, edit text, et user, et password, et email. Okay, and button is sign in button. So what we have done here is we will go quickly and find view by ID, sign in email. Uh, yeah, we'll go to login activity, and what is the name of our we have this where is the edit text? Sign email, sign password. Okay, sign email and sign password. Okay, perfect. Now the button for sign in, sign in. I don't think so this was the ID, but let's just confirm. Sign in account is the ID, so we will make sure to cast the right view on the right ID, and et password. Okay, and now what I'll do here is I'll apply same set on click listener, new view on click listener, and if text utils, again email, text utils, password, then set a toast message required. So what I'll do here is take two strings, email, password, and store them email, et email, get text, two string, same, copy paste, password, et password. Okay, else log me in, passing email and password. Okay, we'll create a method here. Let's take Firebase authentication auth and initialize, get the instance in its Firebase auth dot get instance. So what will happen here is we'll take our authentication sign in with email and password, email, password, that dot on success listener. So now that we have signed in, it should show logged in and start which activity? Main activity, yeah. Login activity, this main activity dot class. Perfect. And now also one more thing is that if in main activity user is logged in and when we press back button, then it should finish affinity, means like it should, if you can try it without this code, then the app will not exit unless you kill it. So by this snippet in main activity, when once you click back button, the app will be destroyed. Okay, app should be coming. Yeah, okay, app is here, and we will try to sign in. Okay, here we are. This was our email that we had registered with. 12345 6. Sign in. Logged in successful, and we are here. And I will press back, and app will, yeah, perfect. So um, I don't see my app being installed here. My contacts. Just run the app again. Oh, the reason it's giving me the name contacts because in string it is perfect. I just got confused a little bit. Okay, so far so good. Our app is working. Now, how do we display the user who has signed in, his image, her image, or and the username? So we will quickly do this and then I will finish this tutorial. So in toolbar, we have also taken in main activity, we also have inside the toolbar, because you see that the the it's not closed here. So so we have also taken an image view and text view, and what we have to do is simply display the user that is here. The user is here, and we have to display the name and image onto our toolbar. So that is in our main activity. What I'll do here is I'll first of all get my image view, image on toolbar, and text view, username on toolbar. So image on toolbar, find view by ID, image view in toolbar, and username on toolbar or in toolbar, username toolbar. Okay, perfect, lovely, and sweet. Okay, what we have to do is once the app is launched, once the user has logged in, we want it to be automatically in on create because it creates the activity. We want it to be show the be able to show the image automatically, not that we have to click somewhere. So Firebase database, get instance, get reference, users, child, Firebase user, Firebase auth, got get instance, get current user. So now we are, I'll tell you what I just did in very simple manner. Okay, let's just, so what it's doing is reference is users, user has a child which is my ID, the user who has logged in, and once you log in you don't want to display the image or the username of someone else. You want to display the username and the image from your own ID because you have logged in. So that is why you have to be explicit that it has to come from your own ID, and this is your ID that you have signed up with. Okay, so what I'll do is reference.add value event listener because we are listening from the value. And what will happen here is I would have to create a I would have to create a model a custom class where, yeah, where that will help me to fetch the values. So one thing to remember is while making this, your variable names should match the exact spelling of the keys here, otherwise it will not fetch. So username, for username, image URL, we needed this for now. So constructor, if the spellings change, then you will not be able to fetch the data. Okay, we will come back to our main activity. Here users snapshot stores our information. All the information of reference is in snapshot users.class. Okay, so here we will take username on toolbar, set text users get username and glide with, because I had told you once we started this tutorial that we will be using glide library to load images. Users.getImageURL.set.into image on toolbar. So now let's run the app and it should show us the image that we had uploaded here, and the username should be changed to Samuel if it's successful. So yeah, it has changed immediately, and this was the user that had signed in. Okay, perfect. So far so good. Next we will be working on adding contact, and yeah, let's get right to that. And thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, please ask me and subscribe to the channel and say hi on the Instagram. So take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next one.